Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation doing another unboxing video. And today, we got our hands on the Fire HD10. Now this is the newest refresh and not the older model. As you can see, this is the front. The side just says Fire HD10. The side says the same. And then on the back, you can see what's included here. Some pictures and some basic things you can do with it. It says here you can see the display size. It's micro SD slot up to 512 gigabytes. That's kind of nice. The octa-core, dual band AC Wi-Fi, front and rear cameras, and then Dolby Atmos. Sounds pretty nice. Let's go ahead and get this open. I love Amazon's easy open tabs. Okay. Okay, so everything comes out in one fell swoop. Let's see what comes in this section first. We have charging cable. Links to try page, a hello page, and a charger. And then of course, couldn't forget their trademark smile. Let's see here. Must be their starting guide. Yep. What's in the box? Fire HD10 overview. Getting started. Charging your tablet. What I like here is that it points out that they made the change from micro USB to USB-C and that the old chargers are not compatible. That's actually really nice to know because most of the other Amazon devices work on that older charger. And here seems to be things to try. It is really nice that you can access the most Android apps on this device. I know you are able to install the Play Store if the Amazon store doesn't do it for you. Okay. And then here we have the charging cord with, as promised, already in the starting guide, the USB-C. And then the charging brick, which looks to be the same size as the last model. Let's go ahead and get this open. You can see here, this is a large tablet, 10.1 inches. And just for size comparison, I brought in the old model here. It appears to be exactly the same size, which is good. Has the same micro SD slot in the same spot right here. Right here. Looks like the charging port is the only thing that's different up top. So we've got the lock button, a microphone, headphones, and then the volume buttons. Then we've got the two sets of speakers on the bottom, and then nothing on this side. So the only difference appears to be the charger. And I must have pressed the button because it's turning on already. And I also wanted to bring in the size 8, the HD8, for a size comparison as well. As you can see, oh, that's a pretty nice screen, nice and clear. This one is much smaller, but in my opinion, it seems like this one would be easier to hold and read something on, because this device is actually kind of heavy. And then since this is the newer model, it also has USB-C on it. So it is really nice to see Amazon trying to make that change to a more modern powered interface. And I believe that is the end of our unboxing. Thank you guys for watching, and go ahead and go to the comments and let us know what you'd like us to unbox next time. Catch you guys later.